try. Hey guys, I'm Vasco, and today I'll show you how I'm playing Angie by Rolling Stones on the ukulele. We'll be using a low G string ukulele and still not really making it as the record, but close enough. So grab your low G and let's go. Okay, so in the song we have three harmonically different parts. Let me first show you the chords for them, and after that we'll go into the details and the intro pick and everything. So the main part, which is also the intro, starts with A minor, okay, to A minor 7 after that, all right, and then to E7, G to F, but we have this little thing here, grabbing on the G string, the 3rd fret, and really quickly grabbing the original F, okay? And then to C. Angie, you can't say we never tried. Here, a little detail is that this C is coming a little bit earlier. So let's count it so you can hear it. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So the C chord is coming on the off beat before 3, all right? So that's the main part, and after that we have the verse part, which starts with G to D minor to A minor, and then to C to F to G. All right, and this is with no loving in our souls and no money in our coats. You can't say we're satisfied. Angie, getting back to the... So basically we're just repeating these parts over and over again, and somewhere around the end of the song we have this little bridge which starts with D minor. Angie, I still love you, baby, to A minor. And we're repeating these 3 times. Everywhere I look, I see your eyes. There is no one that comes close to you. And finishing the same as the verse part. So come on, baby, dry your eyes. And getting back to the main one. Alright, so if you're a beginner ukulele player, maybe this will be enough for you. Just try to chew this up and get comfortable with this, just with one down strum on every chord. And if you're ready with this, let's go to the more interesting parts. Okay, let's see the intro. So we start with A. I play just the G string, and then just the C and E string. And then right here, with the ring finger on the 3rd fret of the E string, I play it and then I pull it down, okay? And then the E7, what I'm doing is I'm playing open E string, and then I'm grabbing this little shape with the ring finger on the 4th fret of the G string, middle finger on the 2nd fret of the C string, and also the pointing finger is right here on the 1st fret of the G string, and I'm doing this G, C, E, C, G, pulling down. So we're sounding the 1st fret, then the C string, then the E string. So slowly. Okay, and then on the G chord, what I'm doing is playing open G string, open C string, and hammer on the 2nd fret, and I'm ready to grab the G, but like this. I'm avoiding the A string, not really paying any attention to it. What I'm doing is open G, open C, hammer on the second fret, third fret of the E string, then C string, and then with the ring finger here on the fourth fret, and again pulling down. All right, and then the F thing with the ring finger on the third fret first, and then on the second fret. And what I'm doing here is E, C, and then on the next bar I'm doing G, C, E, C, E, E third fret, going to the C chord, and then the ring finger again on the fourth fret of the G string, but all the rest of the strings are open, and I'm doing G, C, E, open G, and grabbing the A minor, and we start. So let's slowly go through the whole thing together. Angie. And here, right after it starts, we're staying on the same part, harmonically speaking, but what I'm doing here after the A minor, I'm doing this strum, and after that we have this. All right, with up strums, I'm playing the open A string. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On the fifth up strum, I'm here on the third fret of the E string, and then removing it. Alright, and then on E7, what I'm doing here as a little detail is sliding on the C string from first to second. Okay, so to G, to L, to C, and G. Alright, so this sums it up. That's a classic tune. I cannot believe it took me so long to do it, but anyway, here it is. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and you'll see me on the next one. Goodbye.